The first step to applying for financial aid involves filling out a FAFSA form. To get started, go to tesu.edu. Click Tuition and Financial Aid from the menu up here. Select Financial Aid. Then scroll down and select Learn How to Apply. As you see here, you first need to create an FSA, Federal Student Aid ID. Select Create Your FSA ID. That will take you to studentaid.gov, where you should click Get Started. Go through each of these steps, filling out the proper information, and selecting Continue to move on. Once you've created an FSA ID, you're ready to fill out the FAFSA. You can either click the FAFSA form drop-down menu up here on the studentaid.gov site, or you can go back to tesu.edu, and from the Apply for Financial Aid page, you can select Complete the FAFSA. Log in using your FSA ID to get started. Some of the documentation you will need includes Social Security number, tax returns, records of child support received, current balances of cash, savings, and checking accounts, and net worth of investments, businesses, and farms. For additional help filling out the FAFSA, check the description below this video for a link to a studentaid.gov video applying for financial aid with FAFSA.